In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo on your Odoo website. We'll be doing this directly inside Odoo. And the process is simple once you know where to look. If you've never changed company details before, don't worry. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. Start from the Odoo home screen and go to your main dashboard. This is your starting point, where you can access the different applications available in your system. From the main dashboard, open the Settings application. This is where Odoo stores the core configuration options for your company and website-related details. Once you're inside Settings, stay under the General Settings tab. At the top of this page, look for the Companies section. This area contains the company records connected to your Odoo environment, including the one whose logo you want to update. Next, click on Users and Companies. This opens the broader management area where you can work with company information, user access, and related organizational settings. After that, click on Companies. Odoo will load the list of available companies. If your database only has one company, the choice will be easy. If you manage multiple companies, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one. Since the logo update will apply to that specific company record, select your target company from the list. Once you click it, the company details page will open. This is where you can review and edit information tied to that company, including the image used as its logo. On the company page, click on Edit Photo. This is the option that allows you to replace the current image with a new one from your computer or device. When the file picker opens, choose the photo or logo file from your source. As you select the image, Odoo will upload it and show the updated logo on the company record. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the correct image appears and that it looks clean and properly cropped. Using a clear, high-quality logo usually gives the best result on your website and across company documents. Once the logo is updated and everything looks right, click Save. This final step applies the change and stores the new logo in your company settings. And that's it! Your logo is now updated. If the change doesn't appear immediately on the website, give the page a quick refresh so the latest version loads properly. But as far as the setup goes, you're done. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change the logo on your Odoo website.